Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on how AI is enhancing business performance. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, staying competitive is crucial. One of the most effective ways to do that is by leveraging artificial intelligence or AI. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how AI is revolutionizing business processes and driving performance improvements across industries. What is AI? Before we dive into how AI is enhancing business performance, let's quickly define what AI is. AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. How AI is enhancing business performance. Now let's look at how AI is enhancing business performance. Here are some key areas where AI is making a significant impact. Data analysis and insights. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time and provide insights that humans simply cannot. By using AI-powered analytics tools, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, operations, and market trends. This information can then be used to make informed decisions that can drive growth and increase profitability. Automation. AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic activities. This not only improves efficiency but can also reduce errors and increase accuracy. AI-powered automation tools can be used in a wide range of business processes, from customer service to supply chain management. Personalization. AI can help businesses personalize their offerings to meet the specific needs and preferences of individual customers. By analyzing customer data, AI-powered tools can provide personalized recommendations and experiences that can improve customer satisfaction and drive loyalty. Fraud detection. AI can also be used to detect fraudulent activities. By analyzing large datasets, AI-powered fraud detection tools can identify patterns and anomalies that are indicative of fraudulent behavior. This can help businesses prevent financial losses and protect their reputation. AI is transforming the way businesses operate, and its impact is only going to grow in the future. By leveraging AI-powered tools, businesses can gain a competitive edge, improve efficiency, and increase profitability. So, if you're not already using AI in your business, it's time to start exploring the possibilities. Thank you for watching.